Cricut shared a video the other day with creating an envelope and embellishing it with Cricut pens. And in the comment section, somebody put that they wished that they could slow it down and show you how it's done. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to show you how you embellish, create an envelope from scratch, embellish it with your Cricut. And so in the end, it's going to look like this. You can put whatever designs on it that you want. As you can see, it's sideways cats, but we're going to go through and show you how to do this. Let's go. So this project is a little bit different. We're still going to start from blank canvas, but the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go to projects and we're going to type envelope and pick a project that you like, an envelope that you like. I'm going to do this heart closure because I like the self-sealing here. Next we're going to do is the right hand side. You're going to go over here, open up or expand your attachments and take a look at the score lines. So we're 4.35 by 3.2. So we're going to create a shape that size. Let's move it over here. 4.35 by 3.2. I'm going to change it to white so it makes it a little bit easier to look at. Next, we're going to go back to our images. And this time we're going to do cat pattern because I want to do cat faces, but we're still going to make the pen do it. So all good for now. Now we're going to change this, rotate it 90 degrees. So it's going to fit in a rectangle. Yes, our cats are going to be sideways, but I'm okay with that. Hopefully you are too. Looks pretty good. Next, we're going to go to images and we're going to do scalloped rectangle. This is what we're going to use for the address, both for the mailing address and for the return address. We're just going to change the sizes a little bit. So that looks good. Maybe shrink it just a little bit. We're going to duplicate it, and then we're just going to change the sizing for the return. I know it distorts it a little bit, but for the sake of this video, I think you get the gist. All right. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to go up to edit. We're going to create an offset. We're just going to do a small offset. So let's do 0.1. Hit apply. Super. We're going to do the same for the center. Hit apply. Now we're going to get rid of our backdrop. We're going to take our offset and we're going to subtract it from the cats. We're also going to take the other offset, also subtract it from the cats. And then from here, we're going to change our scallop note cards. Instead of a basic cut, we're going to do this as a pen. And now we're going to change this to raspberry. That looks fun. Let's do the scallop note card here. Also change this to pen. Let's pick another color. Let's go yellow. And then the cat faces, we're also going to change to pen. So let's do these as turquoise. Cool. All right, let's change our heart envelope to white. Now we're going to click and drag over all of these. Drag it over to our envelope. It's going to tell us when it's centered when you see a couple of pick lines. Click and drag and hit attach. So now we're going to be able to cut out this envelope and actually draw the cat image, the return address, and the address. Now, if you want to add the address in, I like to do to you from me. If we go up here and change this to writing, you are going to get a better font or choices of fonts that are going to be single lines. So sometimes you see double lines. So to you, we're drawing. Let's duplicate it and go from me. Make it a little bit bigger so it's going to fit in our return window. Back over here. And now we're just going to select them all and attach it again. And so now we're just going to cut this out. It's going to score it, and it's also going to do the pen for all of the drawing on it. So let's go. Business in the back, party in the front. So that's how you embellish a envelope or create an envelope and embellish it with your Cricut pens. And, you know, it's a bit sideways just like me. Whatever. Hope you found this helpful. Cheers.